everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view the cost voucher posted but invoice not created report with job date and client name in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to the My Reports module. On this page, we have to search for the cost voucher posted but invoice not created report. Now click on the cost voucher posted but invoice not created report menu. After you click, the report will be displayed on the screen. This is how to view the cost voucher posted but invoice not created report with job date and client name in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.